Hi guys, Tony here again. Today I'm going to show you the GME XRS Connect Outback radio. Obviously in the kit it comes with the XRS330 unit along with the 2.1 dB aerial. GME, Australian made product, backed by a 5-year warranty. But yeah, big key feature, it is Australian made, let's support Australia. 5-watt transmission power, like most radios. Super compact design, we'll go through that when I unbox the unit itself. Has the technology with the Connect app where you can actually download an app on your phone, connect that to the UHF radio, and gives you offline location services, which means you can actually follow your friend who has the same radio and watch where each other are going. So 2-watt front-facing speaker built into the microphone, OLED display on the microphone itself. As I said, it comes with a 2.1 dB aerial. We'll go ahead now and unbox the radio. So as I mentioned, super compact hideaway box. Once you wire this up, you can hide this. It's very small, hide that underneath your dash or in your console. You don't need to see this because everything is on the microphone. Here we have the microphone. OLED display, as I said, 2-watt speaker built into the front of the unit. Heavy duty curly cord, and that's all you need to see in the front of your vehicle. So no box is required. That gets plugged into the box through an extension cable, and that's all you'll see. So as we mentioned, this is their 2.1 dB antenna, which is commonly used for most places. You don't generally need to have a high gain antenna because a high gain won't work everywhere depending on where you are. So that's your most medium antenna required for most places. As I mentioned, it comes with an extension cable. So when you hide your hideaway box underneath your dash, that extension cable plugs between your hideaway box and the unit itself, and your microphone will plug into the other end. So that gives you that long range where you can hide the box a fair distance away from the microphone. Also comes with the hang-up coupling. You get the option of either screwing this on your dash or actually double-side tape onto your dash, and all the screws are included. If you wanted to bracket mount the hideaway box, you could. Comes with the bracket, and also your power cable, which obviously is required to power up the radio through the vehicle's battery system. Also get a GME sticker and just a quick instruction guide. So this is the XRS330 Connect Outback Pack. Thank you.